Guys, look oh, sa entrance pa lang, may nagbumabati na sa inyo. Hirsch! Hirsch is deer. Deer in... Oh, ang dami pa namin aakyatin para makapunta dun sa Hi guys, good day. May bagong ganap tayo ngayon. Nakikita niyo naman, nasa kalsada na naman tayo. We're going to Fränkische Schweiz. Fränkische Schweiz dito sa Franken, dito sa part ng Germany, sa bayan, tinatawag na Fränkische Schweiz. Schweiz in Deutsch is Switzerland. So, this is the little Switzerland in Germany. So, we're gonna look what we can see there. Pag mahilig kayo sa nature, I know you're gonna enjoy this video. So, see you there and enjoy watching. Seems like in Bukidnon, Han.
Huh?
Seems like in Bukidnon. Guys, look oh, sa entrance pa lang, may nagbumabati na sa inyo. Hirsch! Hirsch is deer. Deer in English. Mayain sila. Ayaw nilang mag-ano. Ayaw nilang mag-hi sa camera. Look. My God. Maraming beses na ako nakita ng deer. Pero malapitan, it's my first time. Mayain. Hi! Say hi to my camera, dear. So, continuous tayo. Baka may makita pa tayo dun sa unahan. Dort is the Bergstein.
Ja.
Waar daar dort rein?
Links onder is.
Castle pala to, friends. Castle. Parang nire-renovate siya. Ano kaya ang history nito? Jugendhaus Bergs Feuerstein. Feuerstein. Jugendhaus, das bedeutet, Hani, dass der Jugend benutzen das?
Ja.
Jugendhaus. Hani, das bedeutet, dass, weißt du, dass der Jugend, das ist keine Strafe, muss hier bleiben?
Nee, das ist so wie so ein Jugendzentrum, ein Jugendhaus.
Ja, wenn du hast Strafe, weißt du?
Nee.
Ewan ko ano ibig sabihin itong lugar na to. Pero maganda yung building nila. Maganda yung meron dito. Para palang park. Behind park na.
Ja.
So. Walang tao. Parang close. So, the auto is short. Para lang siyang simple na park. Makita nyo doon ha. Kala ko naman super nice na castle. Nice din naman siya. Pero para tong park. Lalakad lang yung mga tao. Tingnan nyo yung duck. Guys, balik tayo sa sasakyan. Konti lang pala yung makita natin. Pero marami pa siguro doon sa loob-looban. Sa may mga forest. Kasi maraming taong naglalakad. Pero huwag na tayong pumunta doon. Pumunta tayo sa ating next na pupuntahan. Di ko alam kung saan. We'll begin the next day.
Flughafen. Da ist ein Flughafen.
Airport daw. Let's. Oh, what a very nice view. Ito ba talaga dito? Ganda ng view. I love nature. Kito, may nagbabike oh. Big bike. Bikers ang kasila. Ganda, ang ganda pag ganitong weather. It's not so hot. It's not so cold. May puno dun. Tingnan niyo, may puno dun sa gitna. Kaso wala na siyang dahon. Siguro pag summertime green na green yan. Ayun na, nag-iisa siya. Ganda no? Ganda ng view. The landscape is amazing. Yeah, honey?
Ja.
Very nice landscape. May bikers, oh. Group of bikers. Ang ganda na pa ng langit, may nagano papalipad ng eroplano. God, sasakay tayo ng airplane. Davon wir fahren?
Da kannst du auch deinen Flugführerschein machen. Machen hier. Dann haben sie auch hier gelandet und gestartet. Weil reicht aus.
Guys, school pala to ng ano, papalipad ng aeroplano. Tingnan namin doon, no, yung chart. Kung magkano, kung anong meron, kung anong tuturo. Yan. Sa pagkakaalam ko, may bayad to pag nagpa-picture ka doon, pag pumasok, sumakay ka sa aeroplano. Bayad sila. Hindi ko lang sure kung magkano. Ganda, no? Ganda here, ganda na view. Date na airplane dito. Ewan kung maandar.
Mountainbiker kommen sie nicht quer oder was? Das wird verschwunden. Ja, wenn es normale Mountainbiker wären, aber man muss ja schon E-Bike fahren. Da unten.
Say goodbye to the plane. Bye, airplane. So we're going to the next sightseeing.
Burg, Castle.
Need this.
Was?
Mugendorf schon? Streitberg. And the next is Mugendorf. Did you see that? Look, I'll show you. I'll zoom in. Ayan siya, oh. Nakikita niyo ba? Against the light. Nasa mountain siya. Yun, castle. Hindi naman tayo pwede pumunta doon. Ewan ko. So, this is the Pinikangimak. Did you see that one? That is that castle. Look at the landscape. This is it. This is what can you see here in Fränkische Schweiz. All mountain and landscapes. On old castles. In the stones, in the mountains. Ayan. People is coming here, going in Fränkische Schweiz for campings, vacation. Ayan, mga nature lovers.
Boot farm.
Boat fahren or boating, fishing. What else? Was noch kan machen here?
Wandern.
Wandern or hiking like that, mountain climbing. Ayan. May flus, may sapa. Ayun, may mga taong naglalakad, nag-hiking sa other side when you see them. Ayan, Yeah. So, ganyan lang. Gusto niyo ng drive sa nature. This is the best place here. If you're a nature lover. Bikers love to drive here. You know why? Because they can drive here so fast. Breathtaking view. Breathtaking view here. It's very nice. Welcome to Potenstein. Ito rin isa sa pinakamagandang place dito sa Fränkische Schweiz. Did you see that? Did you see that? There's a house. Is that castle? No. No, it's a house in the stone. Look, ha? Nakita niyo ba yun? Maraming nakatira dito. It's also a nice place. People go camping. Many hotels. Ist auch ein Kurort.
Potenstein ist das da oben.
Oh, we've been there before. You can see the view and when you're above the mountain, there's a place there where you can see the view. Look, it's all very nice place. It's a very nice. Hi, welcome to Potenstein. We are here in the Sommerrodelbahn Potenstein. They have here adventure. I'm gonna show you. Wait. You can go sightseeing there. Look. I think I wanna try this one.
Ich weiß aber, die kenne ich auch nicht.
We can. Guys, maglalakad tayo paakyat. Oh, ang dami pa namin aakyatin para makapunta dun sa taas. Guys, nakakahingal. Pero ang ganda ng view. Kailangan natin marating yung taas. Look. Dapat tayo makapunta doon. Guys, nakakahingal. Nakaakyat na rin tayo sa wakas. Look, oh, nasa likod ko na. Nasa likod ko na siya. Saan tayo nang galing? Oh. So, nandito kami sa skywalk nila. But you need to pay 5 euro to walk there in the skywalk. So, we're going to try to walk there.
Ah, da muss man die Karte.
Here. Aha. Ich erst.
Da nehmen wir mal die Karte. Andersrum. Passt schon, rein.
Passt schon, rein. Okay. So there's a lot of entrance. We're going there in the skywalk. Skywalk. So before we can enter, we have to use our ticket to get inside. Oh my god, this is so amazing. It's very expensive. Oh my god. Ich habe schon Angst. Ich habe schon Angst. God, walking in the skywalk. Look.
Ja, auf Wiedersehen.
Auf Wiedersehen. Oh my god, it's moving. The bridge is moving. Look. There's also a lot of tourists coming here. Oh my god, the view. God.
Hey, ich bin witzig.
Yeah, my god, honey, du musst mich halten. You hold me, please. Look at the view. Look where we are here in the in the skywalk. And it's moving! Look! I have angst. I gonna stay in the... I cannot walk alone! Jesus Christ! Look at... I'm holding... Oh my God, it's so wind! The wind is so strong! Guys, nasa taas tayo ng skywalk nila. My God, nakakatakot, but the view is so amazing. Look, tingnan nyo naman. Tingnan nyo naman anong mga nakikita ko dito sa paligid ko. Pero nakakatakot lang because ang skywalk, ang bridge is gumagano. So, if you really have extreme fear sa height, huwag na kayong pupunta dito. But it's really, really worth it. 5 euro siya. In fairness, mahal siya. Pero ang ganda. I've never been in skywalk before. This is scary. There in the middle of the bridge because it's moving. But when you see the view, good. Hindi pala close yung yung sakayan. But you have to start here open in the top. May kasi doon, may cashier, doon ka magbabayad. Tapos kung anong babayaran mo, yung skywalk, yung mga rides doon, mamili ka, marami silang adventure. Ito lang yung kinuha namin kasi magko-close na sila ng 5 o'clock. So it's already 4:30, so may 30 minutes lang tayo. Pero worth it naman. Huwag na lang tayo mag-rides ride. Nasa skywalk. Here is the view in the top or in the end of the bridge. Look. Ang ganda, no? Ang ganda. It's so nice. But it's so scary when the wind is moving the bridge. It's so scary. Ito yung pinaka-end na ng bridge. Ayan yung ilalim. Ayan yung kalsada. Ayan yung Putinstein doon banda. Actually, part ito ng Putinstein. This is out ng Putinstein, yeah? So, ayan. Ang ganda! Guys, bibidyohin ko yung pabalik. Kaso lang, hahawak ako dito sa kasama. Because, ja, sehr schön, Han.
Geil, muss man vorstellen, das aufzubauen.
Ja.
Mein Lieber.
Good.
Das zu bauen.
Ito yung part na scary dito. Pag malakas yung hangin, gumagalaw siya. Kaya hahawak ako. Oh my God! It's scary. There's more adventure there. Look. Ayan pa, oh. May adventure pa sila doon. Jumping. Ayan, para sa mga bata. Ayan. Yun. That's what I want. The riding there in the roller coaster. Again, VI in a roller coaster. Like a roller coaster.
Komm! Komm! Komm jetzt, du Feig!
Hi guys! Nakababa na tayo galing sa bundok. Napakagandang view. Napakagandang place. Fränkische Schweiz ang tawag dito. At nakakagutom. Kaya alam niyo na kung saan kami pupunta. Sunset. Hi guys, just walking. It's already night time. Ready for dinner. Maglalakad lang kami papunta sa restaurant. Mayroong malapit na Fränkische restaurant sa amin. I got calamari on scampi. with potato chips and salad. Oh, yummy. And what have you got? Grilled teller. Grilled plate with salad. Kamar. Calamari. Hi guys! Finally, we're home after dinner. Nakauwi na. It's been a long day. Not so long, but it's very nice day. We've been there in Fränkische Schweiz sa mga lugar na hindi pa natin napuntahan yung iba. Yung pinuntahan natin sa Putinstein, napuntahan ko na yun, but we never go there sa taas kasi sa taas, hindi, nung time na pumunta kami doon, naka-close pa siya kasi nagre-renovate sila. But, as you see, ang ganda ng place. Sulit. At, I just want to explain, maybe you wonder na my vlog is about simple living in Germany, but, lagi kaming gumagala at kumakain. Hindi man lagi, pero it's been a busy video. Seems like it's not simple, but it's really sinusulit lang po namin yung time namin together ng aking family, ng aking husband pala. Kasi po, this month, naka-vacation yung part-time ko. So, we have to spend time, the time together na meron kami at enjoy ang life. So, hindi lahat work lang. Kasi ganito po talaga dito. Pag hindi tayo magtrabaho, wala tayong life na comfortable. So, thank you for watching. And I hope you watch our next videos na gagawin namin to show you how is life living simple here in Germany. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and share the videos to your friends and subscribe. Good night!